Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. I am a little bit under the weather. I caught a cold, so don't mind my voice. I'm a little raspy. It's hard for me to breathe and talk, but I'm doing it. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another tutorial using the James Charles palette. Again, there's so many different colors and so many different looks you can do. So this is the look that I did today. I was so upset because I noticed on the first part of the tutorial, I forgot to turn my mic on. So it's literally complete silence. So that will be a voiceover. I'm going to try and hopefully I can do the voiceover. Praying, but I know I'll be able to do it. So if you would like to know how to get this look, keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time that I post. And without further ado, just get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I literally forgot to turn on my microphone, so I didn't get anything that I was saying. So I'm doing a voiceover. So here I'm just going in with the shade Love That and packing that all over into the crease before I start to blend it out, because I noticed doing this gets a more pigmented look. So pack it and then wait for it, and then blend it. And here I'm blending it out just by little sections by section, and then moving it back and forth. You guys can see what I'm doing, but just don't go ham and start blending it because it's not going to work. So you have to just go in circular motions around where you packed it on. So I wanted it to have a more gradient effect, so I went in with the shade Mary to help it blend out a lot more and cleaner. So it goes from a light pink to a hot fuchsia pink. Now to darken it up, I'm going in with the shade Escape, and I'm starting off by just packing on the outer corner but also blending it in. Okay, so now that my mic is on, I can further explain to you guys what I am doing. So pretty much what I'm doing is taking my Morphe M433 brush and using the shade Escape to darken up the outer corner as well as the crease. So now what I'm going to do is go back into MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot to cut my crease. And I'm using a detailer brush by Real Techniques. Now for the best part, I'm going to take the shade Artistry, which is this beautiful purple shadow that has blue flecks in it, and I noticed that it works best when you use your fingers, so I'm going to start by packing that all over the lid with my finger first. Now I'm going to go back in with the shade Escape to just blend out the outer corner. And now I'm going to take this wipe to clean up the outer edge. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes, and these are the #extra lashes by Bajari. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. You know the drill, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I went ahead and applied my lashes, we're going to move on to the face. So let me actually get my hair out of my face. Okay, so I'm going to prime my face using my Too Faced Hangover Primer. And then I like to just take my beauty blender and just pounce it in. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I am in the shade Natural Beige, if anyone was wondering. This actually might be too dark for me because I was tan, but we'll make it work. Alright, now to conceal under my eyes, I am taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is the shade Light Beige. Now to set my face, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty powder, and this is in the shade Banana Bread. now to contour, I am taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It smells so good. Like, I was running out of my Hoola bronzer, so I had this one in my drawer and I haven't used it in a while, but I don't know why I haven't used it, so I hope I like it. I don't remember. I think I do. Hopefully. Now for my blush, I'm going to go in with my Sigma Core de Rosa blush using a Urban Studio Stippling 204 brush. Okay, so while I let this all set and bake to carve out these cheekbones, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in so we can smoke out my lower lash line. Okay, so like I always do when I smoke out my lower lash line, I'm pretty much going to use every single shade except for the sparkly shade. To take this shade right here and the dark purple, I don't remember the names, but you guys know. I just want to tell you what shades I'm using. And I'm going to be using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. There is no number on it. It rubbed off. But I have a Sigma one that I have here that's similar. People are asking me what brush I use, but I don't know the number. And this Sigma one looks exactly like it, and it is the E30 brush. So if you want to pick one up, use code MariiiBajariii to get moolah off your next purchase. I make like the ugliest face when I do this. And I'm also going to drag it up to the shadow. Okay, so now I'm going to take this eyeliner by Julep in the shade Ultra Violet, and I'm going to use that to apply onto my waterline. Now to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Ring Light, and I'm just using a pencil brush to do so. And I'm going to drag it up a little bit. And now I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lash line. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to go back into the palette and take the shade Face using a Morphe M510 brush. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with some Urban Decay All Nighter Cherry Scented Setting Spray, and then go back in with a little bit more highlight. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm going to be taking my Morphe lip liner in the shade Zippy. No, Spiffy, not Zippy. And then my Ultra... Wow. And then on top of the lip liner, I'm taking my Ultra Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Unzipped. I think that'll match well. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to sit down and play with the James Charles palette again because like you can do so many looks in that palette. So if I do another one, please don't be mad. Let me know if you want to see another one, or like that's it, like you're done seeing videos using the James Charles palette. But I doubt that. I just wanted to try this purple look. I was kind of inspired by my shirt, by my room, purple, pink, and this is what I got. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos you guys would like to see. Maybe some holiday glam, some hauls. I am going Black Friday shopping, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see a haul, because your girl loves to shop and I'm definitely going to pick up some items on Black Friday. So let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below which you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angel's channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. And also when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We dancing,